Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into Fastboot mode. So to get started, hold your power key, select power off, and once the phone turns off you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. Now when you see the Red Magic logo, you can let go of those keys, and if you don't do it quick enough, you can still do it after you see this. Now the chances are when you are letting go of the keys, when you see this, sometimes when you let go of the power key it will accept it as an input, so it would take you to recovery mode, which is the first option selected, so just keep that in mind. Anyway, once in here you will need to use volume keys to navigate through the options, and we don't have very many of them. We have reboot to recovery mode, we have reboot to add load, whatever that is, never actually seen this, power off, reboot system now, which takes you back to Android, and again we're back to recovery mode, so it cycles through. Anyway, I'm just gonna leave this mode by selecting reboot system now and then confirming it with power key. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.